In the problem of 432 divided by 6, I'm first going to divide up each place so that everything stays in line when I divide. Remember, step 1 is to divide the biggest place. So I have a 4 in the hundreds place. So I'm going to say 4 divided by 6. In other words, 6 times what equals 4 or smaller? So I know that the smallest I can go is 1, and 6 times 1 is 6, which is too big, so it has to be a 0. So 6 times 0, because step 2 is multiply, 6 times 0 is going to equal 0. Step 3 is to subtract. So 4 minus 0 equals 4. And then my last step is to bring down the next place, which is the tens place, and it has a 3 in it. So the 3 comes down right next to my 4. I'm going to start all over with divide. And my new problem says 43 divided by 6. Or 6 times what equals 43 or smaller? So I know that 43 divided by 6 is 7, because when I move to step 2 and multiply 6 times 7, I'm going to get 42. So I'm going to write 42 right underneath 43. And I'm going to move to my next step, which is subtract. So my problem is 43 minus 42, which is 1. And a 0 in the tens place. Next step is to bring down. So I'm going to bring down the 2 that's in the ones place at the very end of my problem. Bring all the way down and put it next to the 1. So my new number is 12. And I'm going to start my process over and do divide, which is 12 divided by 6. I know 12 divided by 6 equals 2. So I'm going to multiply 6 times 2, which equals 12. Write that down in my problem. The next step is subtract 12 minus 12. So I'm going to do 12 minus 12 and get 0. There is nothing else to bring down, and there's no remainder, so my final answer is 72.